Welcome back. The demand for cleaning products is high with concerns about the coronavirus.
An American Carpet One told us all about the Airdog sanitizer and its benefits. And marketing director Nikki Nakamura tells us how they've had to adapt during the pandemic. All right, Nikki, tell me how American Carpet One Floor and Home is doing during this pandemic.
We started off with the first closed down rough, our March, April, May. We were super slow. But as we gradually opened back up, it actually got a little bit busier, not as great as before, but we're just thankful for the community for supporting local. We're currently open. We're an essential business, so we're open Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But, with the second shutdown, it's been a little bit hard again. But it's actually a little bit better than the first shutdown because people now know that we're open.
So many people are making changes with their houses, upgrades, what have you. You guys are also making some changes. Can you tell me how your company has evolved throughout this pandemic?
Yes, so we actually now do whole home remodeling. So we actually do kitchen and bath. We do flooring, cabinets. We can do vanities for your bathrooms. Also, we started a new program for installation where we actually do a neutralize. What it is we come into your home and we take up everything. We spray down 2 different sprays to kill viruses, mold, mildew. It also kills COVID as well. So it's a new installation that we actually have for specifically this climate where we have COVID in the homes and in businesses.
I understand the name of it is kind of funny. It's called the Airdog air sanitizer. How does that whole thing work, and how does somebody get it?
Correct. So we actually have the air sanitizers. We have different products. So we actually have everything from the Fit Air to the V5 Airdog Tesla Air that you can keep in your car or your home. And then we have the different X models, which is the X3, X5, and the X8. So the X3 is the smallest version. And that one can be in small offices. We have the X5, which is the flagship model, which you can have up to 1,400 square feet that it can cover. And then we have the X8 that can cover up to 3,000 square feet. How it's different than any other air purifier, we actually have the air sanitizer because it actually kills viruses, mold, and mildew. It doesn't just collect it. So it uses a TPA technology, which is called two-pole active. It uses electricity to actually pull air and ventilate air throughout a room so that it not only pulls the air through, but it actually kills organisms up to 0.0146 microns. So just to give you some perspective, the flu and the COVID is actually 0.1 micron, so it's bigger. So that's why it can kill 99.9% of microorganisms coming through the application.
I heard you say rooms. So does that mean that the Airdog is also used for in-home use?
Correct. So it's for in-home use. It's for commercial use. You can use it anywhere that you're going to have people go in and out. So it's actually air sanitizing the air around you. So it's good for families, good for businesses. So we're actually selling it out to the community.
You also have something that's a little interesting that can help a lot of folks. You have it with you. Can you show it to us?
Correct. So I have this Air Fit, or it's actually the Fit Air. We actually brought in about 150, and we actually sold out really quickly because everyone is finding out about it. So what it is you can actually attach it to any mask. You just make a hole in the mask by cutting a hole out, and then you can put it on top of your face, and it actually is an air purifier that filters air and actually pushes cool air into your mask. So it lasts about 6 hours, and so you can actually have this mask on all day comfortably. I usually go out and start talking to people, and I usually get the sweat around my mouth and everything.
Right in here?
Yes.
like over here, and then it just blows the hot. So what you're saying then is somebody wearing a mask like this, it's blowing cooler air onto your face.
Correct. So when you put it on, it's actually blowing cool air all around. my mask.
I mean, because they're pretty compact, everything looks pretty good. How does somebody find out more information about that and the Airdog?
We are actually accepting people into American Carpet. So we are open. You can come through the doors. I would highly recommend an appointment because we can only have so many people through the doors at one time. But we accept walk-ins. So you can actually come to American Carpet at 302 Sand Island, or you can visit our website at AmericanCarpet1.com.
Nikki, thank you so much for both telling us about it and demonstrating it. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
So, they're doing a lot, with pets in their carpet. They're doing stuff now with purifying the air. I really like the mask. You know how it is. You sweat like all in here because the air is blowing up or out of here, and a lot of people are breaking out now too. And so this could help.
It could, and spending so much time at home, it's worth looking into the Airdog to see about purifying your environment as much as possible.
Yep.